गुरुवर है बड़े महान जो देते विद्यादान, कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है। गुरुवर है बड़े महान जो देते विद्यादान, कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है। माली के जैसे बन के पौधों की तरह हमें पाला।
Today on 5th September every year we celebrate Teachers Day, a day dedicated to honoring the unsung heroes who shape our minds and hearts. Two remarkable individuals, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and Mother Teresa, have made a significant contribution to this special day. Today, we honor two individuals whose lives and legacies continue to inspire generations. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Mother Teresa, while not traditionally being educators, have inspired countless minds and hearts throughout their teachings and selfless service. But is understanding of needs and challenges and gives tools to help other people succeed. Good morning, respected Principal Father Anand Lakra, Honorable Vice Principal Sister Renu, my dearest teachers and my dear Marians. Today, I, Khushi Dubey, is honored to stand before you as we acknowledge and appreciate our teachers' hard work, passion, selfless dedication and commitment to our education.
You can also become doctor, engineer, PA, artist, scientist, cricketer, or whatever we want. Really? But how hard? By studying. Simple. Acha, and where do we have to go study? School. And who will teach us? Teachers. Who are teachers? They are the people who make all the big people. Really? They must be superheroes, right? Do they have special powers? Do they fly or have wings? Or they have speed of light? This I also don't know. Let me ask my friend Ali. He is very smart.
Yes, Sarthak, what happened?
Ali, Amina wanted to ask a question. If teachers are superheroes, then they must be having superpowers such as flying and speed of light.
Yes, Amina, they are superheroes, and yes, they also have powers, but not like what you think. They have the powers of kindness, love, patience and knowledge.
Where do they come from? I mean, which planet?
They belong to our earth and they come from places which require change, and they are change makers.
Really? So what do they get in return? If they make so many famous personalities, they might be so well known.
No, Amina, they are not. And do you know, sometimes the same student they taught, forget them.
But why?
Because we are selfish people and they are selfless.
But my mom says we have to thank everyone who helps us grow.
Even my mom says the same.
So let us promise that we will never forget our teachers and always be there for them.
माली के जैसे बन के पौधों की तरह हमें पाला। जब आई कोई मुसीबत तो उससे हमें निकाला। जिनके दम से हमने देखा, जिनके दम से हमने देखा ये दुनिया ये जहान। गुरुवर है बड़े महान जो देते विद्यादान।
That's all I got. made teachers very special. But with the speciality comes compromises, fake smiles, courage, patience and the burden of society, of family, of students. But above all, the love for what they do. Kamran is a teacher in a school. He is a hustler, but sometimes to hustle we need to rest. And to rest we need time. And that is exactly what Kamran doesn't have. His life is just like a loop. He wakes up every day, goes to school, then goes to teach coachings. When he comes back home, he spends the whole day in planning lessons, checking notebooks, and putting the best efforts to make
कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है। हम तो थे काले पत्थर, हमें गुरु ने ही चमकाया। हम तो थे काले पत्थर, हमें गुरु ने ही चमकाया। विज्ञान किलों में तपाकर हम सोना खरा बनाया। कोरे कागज जैसा मन था, कोरे कागज जैसा मन था, भर दिया है जिसने ज्ञान। गुरुवर है बड़े महान, जो देते विद्यादान। कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है। गुरुदेव के ही चरणों में है ये संसार समाया। गुरुदेव के ही चरणों में है ये संसार समाया। ईश्वर ने खुद से ऊंचा गुरु का स्थान बताया। कहे आशीष दूजा कोई, कहे आशीष दूजा कोई, ना गुरुवर के समान। गुरुवर है बड़े महान, जो देते विद्यादान। कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है। गुरुवर है बड़े महान।
Out of the lesson, and the true teacher is the learner. Respected Principal Father Anand Lakra, respected Sister Renu, my lovely dedicated teachers, staffs and students. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, we are honored to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the entire teaching fraternity. I begin by expressing our deepest gratitude, our esteemed Principal and Vice Principal, whose visionary leadership and unwavering support have created a conducive environment for us to teach and grow. Your initiative to prepare our students for the cultural program has been outstanding, and we appreciate the time and effort invested in making this event a success.
जो देते विद्यादान, कर सब उनका सम्मान। गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर है, गुरु तो ज्ञान के सागर।